Welcome to this video, which gives information about the West Springfield High School journalism electives. We have 3 journalism electives. You can choose from Journalism 1 through 4, where students learn newspaper writing and produce the school newspaper. Photojournalism 1 through 4, where students learn to design, write, and take photographs for the school yearbook. And broadcast journalism, a brand new elective next year, where students will learn video editing, videotaping, on-air presentation skills, and produce a TV news show. Journalism 1 through 4 is where students learn journalistic writing and interviewing skills, as well as newspaper design using InDesign software. They produce the school newspaper, The Oracle, so if you want to work on the staff of the newspaper, sign up for Journalism 1. Photojournalism 1 through 4 includes writing, photography, design, and interviewing skills to create the school yearbook. So if you want to work on the staff of the school yearbook, take Photojournalism 1. Broadcast journalism 1 through 4 will teach students the skills of writing for on-air presentations, videography, video editing, sound, interviewing, and on-air presentation skills. So if you want to work on the TV news show for our school, take Broadcast Journalism 1. All journalism electives will give students a chance to learn real-world skills and earn leadership positions on a professional style publication or TV show. They all count as fine and practical arts and sequential electives for graduation. For more information about any of our journalism programs at West Springfield, see Dr. Beach in room 1112.